Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you PostFinance Ltd Switzerland login. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to log in PostFinance Ltd in Switzerland, first what you need to do is download PostFinance app from the App Store. So simply head over and open up the App Store, then on the search bar simply type in PostFinance and then look for an app icon like this on the search list, then tap on it, then tap on get or install if you are using an Android and download. Once you have downloaded, what you need to do is tap on open, and once you're inside, what you need to do is, if you have already set up your Face ID or your Touch ID, simply log in with that, or simply tap on login with card reader or card number. By tapping on there, and you'll enter your username or a finance number, then your password, and then log into your account. You can set up the app to log in quickly using biometrics once the login is activated, and you might need an activation QR code of PostFinance sent you to activate app login. If you lose access or change phones, you may need to reset and reactivate the login in the app. Now, you can also log in via eFinance, which is web browser, computer, tablet or phone, by simply heading over and opening up the browser, then on the search bar type in PostFinance. Then simply tap on the first link that is shown to you, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply tap on the login button, top right corner of your screen. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is enter in your eFinance number or your username and password, then simply confirm login with the PostFinance app, push confirmation or mobile ID or card plus card reader, yellow reader if you don't use a smartphone. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.